Has it been a while since you checked on your gutters? Today we're going to discuss the important steps of maintaining your gutters and how I personally clean my gutters to prevent from water damaging my house. So, let's get it started. So, the main responsibility of gutter is water management. Rain gutters are these hollow devices that are attached to the side of the roof. Their main purpose is to channel rainwater from the roof through the downspout and away from the foundation of the house. So, what happens if you don't maintain your gutters annually? Water actually can back up into your roofs, underneath the shingles, underneath the soffit. That potentially will cause a water damage and it will require you to replace your roof. Other potential damage is siding issue. If the gutter overflows again, water could actually seep down to the siding, causing the plywood behind it, as well as the siding to be damaged. Again, will be a major cost to you to replace the whole siding. This is the most important one. If water coming through the downspout, if it's not properly redirected away from the house, water could actually seep into the ground, which is holding the house in the structure, and cause a major foundation issue. And this is a big ticket item that will spend a lot of money to repair that foundation. So let's get dirty. How do we clean the gutters? Usually you have two options. One is hiring a company to come out. You pay them a fee, they come clean the gutters. In some homes that I have a company come out clean it. For this one, it's a Rambler house, very manageable. Some of the tools that I use are my gloves. I got a hose bib to clean it up. My ladder, that's all it takes. Well, there you have it. The best advice I can give homeowners is be proactive. Clean your gutters at least 2 to 3 times a year and make sure water is being diverted away from your property. If you don't, the cost of repair, replacement can be substantially more than the cost of maintaining the gutters. Okay, now you know how to maintain your gutters. So what are you waiting for? Go get your gutters clean.